Hello everyone, Yamini Gaba here. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Facebook ad strategies based on interest and lookalike. Okay, so if you run Facebook ads, you should know that what is interest based and what is lookalike audience. Okay, so if you don't know, you can comment below and you can tell me so that I can explain you a bit further. But this video is for those people who are already running ads and who are experiencing hard time to get sales and experiencing hard time to get sales from multiple duplicates. If you don't know how to create your business manager ad account or anything, you can comment below what you want to learn, and that's how I can teach you step by step, like what exactly how these all steps work. Okay, so now I'll explain you. We can target audience in different way on Facebook ads. Like interest, we can target on interest based, and we can get a audience from vendor and create a lookalike audience like them, and then we can target. So I'll explain you the old method which we were following. It was like old method was like create a lookalike audience, and simply we used to get a lot of sales, and once we get 2 sales from one ad set, we need to, like, we were duplicating that for 5 times or 3 times, and that's how we used to get a good audience like that. But that does not work anymore. No, not at all. Okay, so don't waste your money on these strategies. You are lucky if this works for you, but no, these strategies does not work. So now new strategies, if I show you. So first one which I experienced, I get, like, last month we did almost 30,000 in net profit. And so how we managed to get these kind of profit, because right now everyone is facing loss. Okay, so what we did is we invested 2 to 3 thousand on testing different audience, and we found it out, like, which audience is working best for us and which is giving us best results, and that's how we started running our ads. Okay, so first what you need to do is create a broad audience and let AI find your ideal audience. So because of AI, everything is changed on Facebook. So let AI find everything for you and leave it on that, because you need to test that. They have changed everything. Okay, their system is changed, so we need to change as well. Okay, or and create a lookalike, but once you get sales from an ad set, increase budget by 5% every day. What happens, before we used to create a lookalike, and then if we get 2 sales we duplicate it, but now if we duplicate that, overlap the audience, and that does not work. I have invested a lot of money by testing this, but that doesn't work, because the one ad set which is working with the lookalike, increase the amount 5% every day. Okay, sometime I've increased it like straight away $5, $10, and that's how they started giving us good results. And now my few ad sets are at $100 per day, and they are giving us regular sales. Okay, so like that you can create your ad sets and just increase the budget if you get a sale from lookalike, and if you duplicate that, you can get sales or you cannot. That's totally, like, a risk right now. Okay, so the next thing is create an avatar for your audience. So what kind of age, what are the demographics? For now, age, I recommend 40 plus, because I do weight loss products from ClickBank most of the time, and like buy goods wherever the platform is, but I do weight loss because that's a wonderful niche and it works all the time. Age should be 40 plus. Demographics, we can see what kind of people like our product, like people who live in rural areas, people who are midwestern. So these kind of people like our product. People who are parents, with like toddlers or with adults. So these kind of interest we can see. People who are with the purchase behavior, And moreover, there are so many interests. I will just show you in a minute on Facebook ad account. Okay, so what are their interests? So like that you can figure out what your audience is and what kind of people buy your products. Okay, so for example, if people who are 65 plus, they are only buying your product, so don't worry, still keep the age 40 plus, because that increase the engagement on your ad. If you keep 65 plus only, then there are only few people, like there are people who will be clicking, but yeah, you can get sales, but we need engagement on our ad so that the ad cost is less as well. Okay, so let the ad run for 2 to 3 days. If you create your ad set for $45 a day, okay, so if there is no initial checkout in one day, turn that ad off. Okay, but if there is a checkout, then wait for another day. So normally what happens, what we do is we create an ad set for $20 per ad set. Okay, and we run it for 3 days at least. But if we don't have any OFI, initial checkout, no FI until $45 spent, then you need to kill it, means turn it off. Okay, so these are the strategies that I follow and I get good results every day. Okay, so now I quickly take you to my ad account and will show you that how we create this and interest based audience. Okay, so for example, this is an ad account, and these are like few of my ads which not running now, but yeah, I have other accounts because we need to change few things every time when we run ads. When the ad set has given us good result, we just keep the ROI on that ad set. If it's not performing well from last 7 days, then we turn it off, because it's not a emotional game or something. It is a game of numbers, and we totally focus on numbers. Okay, for example, if I show you these 3 ad sets, so if we show you these 3 ad sets, so these 3 ad sets itself gave us profit of, you can see 9,000 was spent, and then profit was 15,250. Okay, and now I'll show you like how do we create it. Okay, click on create, and then we go to sales campaign, continue, and then once we continue, we click on manual sales campaign. I do a lot of testing for students, and like I have different, like I have literally maybe 20 ad accounts. I get agency ad accounts because I don't have time to warm up, and then if you get disabled, your whole hard work is like gone. Then just give the name of ad set, whatever you want to do, like ad campaign. I will not explain very deeply here because I'm just gonna tell you like what are the strategies gonna work. Okay, you can change the names from here. We don't have to change anything from here. If you want to run a campaign budget, for example, if you turn it on, then you can choose the amount, and then you can create multiple ad sets, okay, in one campaign. But we will do ad set budget. Okay, so we go to ad set level here, and then we choose website, we choose number of conversion. We can also choose maximum value of conversion. Okay, and you can see like we'll try to show you ads to people most likely to take a specific action, and this one is most likely, so it says, you can read it, we'll try to show you ad to people most likely to make a higher value purchase. Okay, so this will also like help you to keep you in budget. Okay, so once you click here, you can click any of it, you can do testing. Okay, and then we choose pixel, and then we choose event, which is purchase event we choose. Okay, when you are new and you don't have any sales on your pixel, because I have like around 200 sales in 1 month last, so my pixel is really warmed up. But if you don't have any sales on your pixel, you will see a notification, but don't worry, you just leave it as it is. Now we choose a budget here. So if you are creating an interest based audience, I will say for my suggestion, I would say like go for $45 a day. But if you have a small budget, you can try with $20 a day as well. Okay, so choose a time like 2 a.m. or 2:30 a.m. according to United States. Okay, this is Indonesian account. So normally I choose 1 a.m. according to Indonesia. And then here is the important part. Okay, so now there is a Advantage Plus audience and there is a original based audience. This is a testing that you are going to do. You don't have to rely on Audience Plus as well, but if you want to test this one, you simply go and change the location here, like we choose United States. Okay, and then scroll up, we click on show more options. So I choose minimum age 25 because yeah, we are promoting weight loss products. English. Okay, so this is, I'm going to show you like Advantage Plus how I do it. Okay, suggestions. Now here you see 25, but again I'll go here and choose 40 or 45. I choose 40. Genders, I choose woman most of the time, and then that's it. And in interest based, now you have to choose their behavior, interest, and demographics. Okay, we click on suggestions. Okay, for example, engaged shopper. So engaged shopper are people who are very engaged and they shop online. So we can choose this behavior as well, but you don't have to choose many at one place. You have to basically go for different all the time. So here you can see demographic, education, financial. Like if we see parents, mostly our like audience for weight loss is mothers. They are mothers, and they are old age people. So you can see people, parents with adults, or parents all we can choose. So these are really you can see very detailed demographics you can choose. So on the life event based, you can choose financial, what is their income, education level, and what are their works. So interest, you can see here, you can choose wellness and fitness, interest as well. And in behavior, I would say you can choose purchase behavior, engaged shoppers, people who are very engaged. So once you click on engaged, it will automatically tell your audience size. And yeah, according to your age, location, it will go and show your ad to those people. Okay, so now this is Audience Plus. Okay, so Advantage Plus, I won't suggest you to go that broad that you don't choose interest. I personally do it because I've tried without putting interest. I lost my money like around $500. It can work if you're lucky, because it depends upon products as well, which kind of product you are promoting. If you're promoting small ticket product, then there are high chances of making people sale. But I have products like I get a sale like around $80 is a first level product in that. So yeah, so like that you can choose. For example, if you want to choose people from rural area, okay, click on rural area, because women who are in like rural areas, or they are in villages, towns, they most likely to get these products. But yeah, we can't say 100%, but yeah, we can try these kind of interest. And you can google and you can ask your vendor like what kind of audience buys your product. They can give you demographics on that, and they can help you with that. So now this is Advantage Plus audience, and on ad level everything remains same. So today I'm only telling you that how to target your audience. Okay, and here for this detailed video like how to create your proper campaign, I'll make another video, and you can drop comments below like what exactly you want to learn. In this video I'm going to show you just how to target audience. This video is only for people who are experienced, because this is working for me and this can work for you too as well. Okay, so now this is a Advantage Plus audience, but now we'll go to original audience. So how original audience is working for me, I'll explain you that. Okay, so for example, for custom audience, I choose a lookalike audience. Okay, so for example, any audience I'll choose lookalike, and we just create our audience from here. Yeah, and once we choose audience, we choose our country, age, woman. Okay, and then we choose English. And there is one more thing that I tried is placement. Okay, so once we click here, edit, then we click on manual placements, and we want to place our ads on Facebook and on Instagram only. Okay, this gave me wonderful result, and my one ad set made me like $2,000 of profit. So like that, it will only give your, not to different audience networks and Messenger, just to Facebook and Instagram. And also, if you see, if you don't want to add lookalike here, you just simply don't add, and add interest here without audience, advantage plus audience. Okay, and then you go to ad level, and here you can turn this off, multi advertising ads. Okay, because yeah, if you are going on any other website and there are small icons that show, they're most likely to be ignored from my perspective. Okay, so yeah, you can try this strategy as well, like try to ignore this, and then try to um target only Facebook and Instagram with lookalike. And if you get sales from here, from lookalike, simply just increase your budget by 5% or 10% every day slowly, and you will see amazing results, because that's Facebook is working now. They don't focus on duplicating, focus on like vertical scalings, like yeah, that works really well. Okay, so hope I this video is really useful for people who are already running ads, and these strategies are gonna work 100%. Try this, and make, first of all, make your creative and funnel and everything powerful, because the first thing people do is they see your creative and then they click on your ad. So that should be powerful, and then these strategies are gonna work. Okay, so you can drop a comment below that what exactly you want to learn next time, so that I can give you a proper course for free on YouTube. And there is a definitely a proper course coming for ads, like how to create your business manager ad account and everything, and that can actually help you to achieve really quicker. But yeah, your suggestions are always welcome. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and just focus on your work, don't give up, and just keep trying on new things. And definitely this works, we get amazing results every time. And yeah, just keep following this channel for new videos, and I'll be posting really great content here. And also subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video, and just keep on posting your suggestions are really valuable for me. That's how we both can grow, we together can grow. Okay, thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.